Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. What I've got to use is the ST2635 gun. 400 bar rated, 35 litres a minute. Low trigger force system. So you pull the trigger in and you'll feel it and listen to it going in there, and it holds in place very easy. Stainless steel swivel. In the end of it like normal. Any problems you can replace the swivel inside. Stainless steel on this side coming out. So you've got the stainless steel on the quick release gun side as well. But the main part about this as well is it's got a carbide ball inside there, so it's chemical resistant is the ball itself. So on that side of it, chemical can go through there, but like I said, that also makes it 400 bar rated as well. So this is the ST2635. And like I say, you've got the quick release that pulls back to put the spigot in place. That is all stainless steel, as you'll see. Allen key that goes in the end of there, 14mm. Any problems, just unscrew it with the Allen